Tired of essential Chrome extensions disappearing from your managed devices? Let's walk through the straightforward steps to prevent users from removing Chrome extensions, ensuring consistent tool availability and policy enforcement using the Google Admin Console. First, log into your Google Admin Console using your administrator account. Navigate to Devices, then Chrome, and finally, click on Apps and Extensions here. You can manage all the Chrome extensions installed across your organization. Select the specific organizational unit for which you want to enforce this policy. This allows you to tailor settings for different groups within your organization. In the Apps and Extensions page, find the first installed apps section. This area lists all the extensions you've mandated for your users. For each first installed extension that you want to prevent removal of, verify the setting is not allowing users to override. This feature is intended to ensure critical extensions remain active and is often overlooked. Select the extension you plan to block and check the settings. Ensure the policy does not allow users to override the installation. By not allowing overrides, you fully control which extensions remain active. Another crucial step is setting the extension installation policy. Type extension installation policy in the search bar. Within the extension installation policy settings, choose Do not allow users to install any extensions except the ones whitelisted. This restriction limits users to a pre-approved set of extensions, effectively preventing the installation and, by extension, the uninstallation of any unauthorized tools. By following these steps within the Google Admin Console, you can prevent users from removing essential Chrome extensions, maintaining security policies, and ensuring consistent access to necessary tools across your managed devices.